What's up, guys? We were gonna go deer hunting tonight. It is Tuesday night. Found out they just stocked, and we are going to hunt some pheasants with James and Kofer, and hopefully we get into them. I'm gonna try to be quick and get in there and catch up with James, and hopefully put some birds down. So keep you guys posted.
And go meet up with him in the alley.
Everything must go, everything must go. Make way for the kingdom come. Blow out, everything must go, everything must go. Make way for the revolution.
Yeah, what's going on?
Pheasant hunting. Just put some birds out finally. Had a snow delay. Allie's already had 3 flushes.
What's up? What's up?
Allie, come. Get out front. This one's right here somewhere.
Where's he at?
In there, don't shoot it. Find a bird.
What's up, buddy? One female?
Yeah. Well, female action.
Get some roosters.
Man, she is ripping. Rooster.
We suck.
Oh yeah.
It was my first pheasant I shot at all year.
Dude, he said he got 2. She is hurting.
Oh yeah, there she goes. Go keep up with.
Oh my God, there's 3 or 4 of them in the road. Allie, come here. Allie, come here.
Yeah, nope.
Come
I'm
here.
piecing homes.
Come here. Good dog. Good girl. There's 3 of them.
Get ready, this one might flush. There's 2. Good stuff, boys. Woo, son.
A little jog action in.
A little bit of cardio. Good girl.
Do me. Come on.
Find him.
Here it comes.
Get ready. Find a bird. Find it.
Dog. There ain't no way, son.
I heard him run over here, I thought. Get ready. First smoke gun. Let's go.
First bird of the season.
Easy. New. Good girl. Good girl.
Sweet.
Allie is whooped. She's had about 12 flushes, I'd say, already, and she is just eating up. Yep.
Get him.
See him running? There he is.
We suck. We suck, son.
Oh my God. You ready?
Right there.
Good shot.
Dumb.
She is nice to him though. Did you have any fang marks in yours? I guess.
Oh no, I just had a big ass hole in it from me.
Oh yeah.
Allie, come.
Come here. Good girl.
Did you get that one on video?
Yeah.
Oh, poor baby.
Come here,
All right, that's rooster number 2 for me. I'm limited.
Good job, Allie. Thank you.
Look.
might have been these birds.
Yeah, it probably was.
One ran this way.
Yeah, one did.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, she's still on it.
You're gonna have to start ripping your shirt.
I almost pulled it in to shoot it for you. It was just...
Look down, bird's right there. Looking at her, waiting for the bird. And there's a bird. Dude, that thing, I could have touched it. I hip fired the first shot.
Why?
I was like, well, because I was looking over at her. She ran way past it. Bird's right here. Dump him. Dump him. Yo, this one might split.
Dude, that one is not splitting.
There's two right there.
What got going on? Trying to get you a bird.
Yeah, I'm swinging, missing left and right. Shooting like I'm blind.
Just
And,
flush what?
Two. Well, three. I couldn't really see one. The other two, I don't know. About ran over the one.
There's
Fine bird.
James just put down his second. It's a limit for James. James's friend Avery. He's got a limit. He shot his before we got here.
They're coming this way. Nice shot. All right, we had a good day. We finally stalked pheasants up here in Warren County. There was a little mishap. Some snow took the farm's fences down, and yeah, so finally got birds here. Had a really good day. Probably, I'd say 25 to 30 flushes behind Allie. It was a good day. A lot of shooting. Yep.
Yeah, limit. Limit for all of
Yep.
us.
4-man limit. Pretty good day. I said it's the worst place to go.
So tired. Beat.